Welcome to Mathcraft with your friend Steve, or known as Ryan Huff. Today on Mathcraft we have Chapter 11.2, Areas of Trapezoids, Kites, and Rhombus's. Warning, difficult formulas are very difficult to remember, so try to remember them. Why, hello there. Didn't see you there. My name is Steve, and I'll be teaching you a little bit of math. So, what will be teaching you about? Areas of trapezoids. Bam! Trapezoid. Turn the lights on, it's getting kind of dark out here. Pretty cool. Alright, what you're gonna do first is find the base length, the first base length, which is the bottom one. This is 115. So, and then you're gonna find the second base length, which is the top one. It's 8. And then you're gonna find the height of the trapezoid, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Then you're gonna add the base length, second base length, and the first base length together, multiply by the height, divide that by 2, and then you get your area. Hooray! Find the area of a trapezoid using the formula A equals 1/2 height times base plus base 2. To find the area of a trapezoid using the formula I told you about earlier, you must use area equals 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. So plug in your numbers, you get A equals 1/2 5 times 15 plus 8. Then you get A equals 1/2 5 times 23. Then you divide 115, which is what you get from 5 times 23, divided by 2 equals 52.5. And that is your area for your trapezoid. Yay! Alright. Some common mistakes people will usually make is they will forget to multiply the answer by 1/2, or they multiply instead of add for the trapezoid bases. Simply because, you make mistakes, but it's human nature. And hopefully you can go back and check your answer, you find your problem, you fix it. Voila! Happy days. Hi there, you probably didn't recognize me, but I'm still Steve. So, back for some more math. Right now, we got some kites. I'm going to solve the area of this kite. This big kite in front of my volcano. But that's beside the point. What we're going to do first is we're going to stare at the top of it. And then we're going to find the diagonal across, so this is 13. And then, once we finish that, we're going to find the diagonal up and down, which is 19. And then we're going to multiply those two together, and then we're going to divide it by 2, and then we're going to get our area. To find the area of a kite, you need to use the formula A equals 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. To find the area of a kite using the formula A equals 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, you will plug your numbers in. A equals 1/2 19 times 13. 19 times 13 equals 285. 1/2 of 285 equals 142.5. 102.5 blocks squared. Some simple mistakes people will make while solving for kites is they'll generally forget to divide the answer by 2, or they will add instead of multiply the diagonals. Some pretty simple stuff, just bad mistakes. You will generally go back and check your answer, and hopefully you'll find your problem and fix it. Why, hello there. You are very close to my face. I'm Steve. As you can tell, I'm back in my normal skin. And I'm here to talk about nothing other than math and rhombuses. That's right, I said rhombuses. Oh yeah. The rhombus has the same equation as a kite, which is the 2 diagonals times 1/2. Then you get your area of your rhombus. Alright, that's how you solve a rhombus. So you would find the diagonal times the other diagonal divided by 2. Then you get your area. Congratulations, sir. I'm done for today. Peace out. This has been Math with Agent Steve. Oh yeah. To find the area of a rhombus, you would use the same formula as a diagonal, which is 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. And that's how you find the area of a rhombus. To find the area of a rhombus, you need to use the formula A equals 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So you'll plug your numbers in. Diagonal 1 equals 15 and diagonal 2 equals 15. Diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 equals 225. 15 times 15 equals 225. So if 1/2 of 225 equals 112.5 blocks squared. And that is how you find the area of a rhombus. Alright, some people will make mistakes when finding the area of rhombuses. Generally the same mistakes they will make trying to find the area of a kite. They will forget to divide the answer by 2, or they will add the diagonals instead of multiply them. And those are some pretty simple mistakes you can make for when solving, not for, the rhombuses. So always remember to divide by 2, and don't add multiply for rhombuses.